In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage company policies and procedures on your platform. We'll start by accessing the right area of the system. First, log into your account, then go to Settings or Company Settings, depending on how your platform is labeled. Once you're there, look for the Policies and Procedures section. This is usually the main place where company documents are created, stored, and maintained. So it's a good idea to get familiar with this area before building anything new. Next, create a new policy or procedure by clicking Add Policy, New Policy, or Create Document. Once the new document opens, enter a clear title that makes the policy easy to identify later. Then fill in the core details, including the purpose, the scope, and the full guidelines. Be specific here so employees understand exactly what the policy covers and how it should be followed. You'll also want to include responsibilities, requirements, and any compliance-related information that applies. When everything is entered, save the document either as a draft, if it still needs work, or publish it if it's ready to go live. After that, organize your policies so they're easy to find. Create categories or folders such as HR, operations, safety, or IT, and assign each document to the appropriate group. This keeps your policy library clean and structured. It also helps to use clear naming conventions. Since consistent titles make searching much easier for everyone, the next step is assigning access and permissions. Decide who should be allowed to view, edit, or approve each policy. In many cases, managers or department heads may need editing or approval rights, while other employees only need view access. For more sensitive documents, make sure access is limited to authorized personnel only. Once permissions are set, submit the policy for review, gather feedback from stakeholders, make any necessary revisions, and then approve and publish the final version. This review process helps ensure accuracy and alignment before employees begin using the document. After publishing, notify employees by sharing the policy through your system. If acknowledgement is available, require employees to confirm they've reviewed it. You should also track who has completed that review so nothing gets missed. From there, keep your policies updated over time. Schedule regular reviews, such as annually, and make edits whenever regulations or internal practices change. Be sure to archive outdated versions while preserving version history for reference. Finally, monitor compliance by tracking acknowledgements and training completion, conducting periodic audits, and addressing any violations or gaps you identify. That's how you build a policy system that stays organized, current, and effective.